Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video on WhatsApp, where we will try to see how we can install multiple WhatsApp accounts on a dual SIM as well as single SIM phones. So let's proceed. Here I will show you screens of Android phone Samsung dual SIM, where by default you can install one WhatsApp account or even Facebook accounts or Facebook Messenger. So I will show you how you can enable or install the second instance of WhatsApp. So first you will click this settings. Let me enable my highlighter or pen. Settings from here. I just clicked here. Then you can go to advanced features. After clicking advanced features, you will find this option dual messenger, right? Okay, next you will find these available application where you can have dual installations or applications, right? So if you see here, I have enabled dual WhatsApp. Once you will enable it, it will automatically ask you to install, and it will automatically install. You don't need to download or something like that. Yeah. So if I need two Facebook accounts on my dual SIM, we can have this enabled, and at the same time, if I need two messengers for Facebook, I can enable this one. So doing this, now you can have second WhatsApp account. One is the normal, second is this dual with this dual option on dual SIM, right? And then plus on the same phone, but you need another SIM to receive SMS, of course. For the third account, you can have business account. So on one phone of dual SIM, you can have 3 WhatsApp account, right? 3 WhatsApp account. Now let's move to single SIM phones, where you will have one normal and second one you can have WhatsApp for business. So it will allow you, but again this also need another SIM to receive SMS, because otherwise you can't activate your account. So you need another maybe phone or somewhere. You will, once you will register, it will send you one code, so you have to enter that code. So if I will go back here, you need 3 accounts for your telecom or your phone accounts. In this case, maybe you can have for temporary base, but again if you need to reset something or whatever, then you need that phone for that purpose, right? So on single SIM, first you will install the normal, or you will have it, and second you can have this business account. So business account you can install on both single SIM and dual SIM, while on dual you already have 2, plus on this single you will have 2 accounts, right? So please try and share your feedback. So if any challenge, please do also let us know, right? Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.